Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Cup. Today we've just done another Starline S96 on a brand new 2025 Ford Transit Custom. And we've done something a little bit special to the standard S9, but this is the basic form as it comes. When I leave the vehicle, if I just zap it, I get one chirp, one flash, blue light comes on, system is armed. When I come back and disarm it, the system will be disarmed and it will go into immobiliser mode. So as soon as I start the vehicle up, let me just start the vehicle. Vehicle starts, but if I try and put it into gear, if you watch carefully now, I'm going to put it into gear. Vehicle shuts down. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, starts the vehicle up, inserts his code, which we're going to change after the video. So 1, 2, 3, watch the LED. There you go. System is disarmed in terms of immobiliser mode. We're able to select a gear and drive away. Okay, really simple and straightforward to use. As I turn off the ignition again, obviously, if I then try and start it, the immobiliser is active again. As soon as I put it into gear, it will shut down. Okay, so basically all the customer has to do in a really simple form is lock it. System becomes armed. If I turn on the ignition, obviously it's under attack. Or let me just open the door, watch it go mad. There you go. So when I go to disarm it, obviously this is actually connected to a phone, so the phone will start to ring and customer will be notified that the alarm has gone off and the vehicle's under attack. So basically all the customer really does is zap it, light comes on, comes back to the vehicle, disarms it, opens the door, starts the vehicle up, puts his code in because obviously it's still active, LED goes out and we're able to drive away. Okay, really simple and really straightforward. Okay, as I said, it's got tilt, motion, shock, it's got immobiliser mode, it arms and disarms off the existing remote control, it fires the horn, flashes the indicator. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call 02890604780, 02890604780. Thank you for watching it, bye bye.